Hi, everyone. Again, Mike Lee, coming from NovuMind. So we're talking about the conceptual level architecture, how we achieved much faster and lower power on our NovuTensor FPGA and ASICs. So for details, mathematical analysis, we're going to come up with maybe some papers, maybe end of this year or maybe Q3 of this year. So first, about our company. So company NovuMind, what we do. NovuMind is actually an equation. Basically, it's a supercomputing plus AI algorithm, which is AI models, plus the ASIC for AI acceleration. You see the picture, you have upper part, horizontally, that's what we do. We are a full stack AI company. So we have supercomputer guys in-house, and our founder is one of the top supercomputer scientists in the whole world, Dr. Ren Wu. And we make supercomputers using CPUs, GPUs, and we specialize in supercomputer for AI training. So we buy tons of GPUs, CPUs put together, and the end result is that on this training machine, the training time greatly reduced to like 1%, 2% for major networks. For example, one of the very popular networks, if you train on TensorFlow in Google, or you have your own supercomputer, it may take you 1 whole week or 10 days continuous running to get the result. But on the other side, if you train on our supercomputer, one benchmark we did recently is less than 60 minutes. You got your training result. With this supercomputer, what we can do, we can train the network much more efficiently. So we can explore much better design architecture, a lot of multipologies. So that's, we make better AI models for the same job. And all these models put together to our AI chip we call the NovuTensor. And on top of this chip, and we run the AI models, we make it into modules. For example, right now we have PCIe-based modules, and we call them NovuBrain. We ship the NovuBrain to customer side on the bottom. And it goes to robotics, it goes to smart health, go to hospitals, and it goes to smart cars and autonomous driving vehicles and drones, and potentially getting into cell phones. But one important thing what we're trying to do, we are not like TensorFlow or other alternatives. We do not want to own the data. And we do not even want to own the model. The model and the data, we believe, belongs to the customers on the application side. But we do is to help people improve their model accuracy with our supercomputer, retrain your model. On the other side, we provide the ICs that speed up your inference efficiency.